guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be another haul. This one's going to be a Shein haul, a clothing haul. This is my second time, not fourth, second time filming this video. Somehow my SIM card got encrypted, or not encrypted, I don't know, corrupted, and the video just went poof. So I have to refilm this video all over again, but it's worth it so you guys can be able to see what I brought. This is my first, like I said, clothing haul video with me. It's going to be a try on, me trying these clothes out. I got this from a website called Shein. Shein.com is a Chinese based website with super duper affordable clothes, and so far I am super duper pleased. So if you want to see what I got in my Shein haul, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm going to just start talking about these products in just random order. The first thing I want to say is actually that, you know, you're ordering online, you can't really try the clothes on. So what I did was order a size up. So I am currently between the 12 and the 14, more on the 14 side. Before I had my two beautiful babies, I was a size 10, and I've gained weight since then. So I went ahead and ordered 14 and 0XL and 1X in these clothes just to try. So I did shop on the plus size actual category, but these clothes fit very good. So I don't know if they're true to size or if not, honestly, because I'm in between sizes, if that makes sense. I just had a baby. If you guys didn't know, she is 3 months old, so I'm 3 months postpartum, so I still have baby weight, so I'm not in my accurate weight yet. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is actually this green dress. I love the length of this dress. I love the fit of this dress. I love the material. There's nothing bad I can say about this dress. It's super cute. It's flirty. It's see-through here. I can see myself wearing this to a wedding or anything outside. It's very thin material, not thin to see-through, but it's thin enough to wear in the summertime and not be hot. I love the actual waistband around it, how it can tie. You can tie it in the front or the back. So yeah, this is my first item and I love it, love it, love it. So the second thing I got was this white dress with the tassels on it. Malia is about to be christened when she turns 3 months old, so I was looking for a white dress, and this dress was it. I love how it has the tassels at the bottom, and the split in the back is not too high. It actually fits very, very good. I love this dress. The material is very good. It's not thin. Like I said, it's in between. It's a good size. And I got this in a 1X. I'm sorry, I should have told y'all my sizes. The green dress does not have a size, so I'm not sure what size I ordered it in. But this dress is a 1X. I didn't want it to be tight because it's white. I didn't want it to be, you know, hugging all my baby stomach and all that stuff. So I got it, like I said, I ordered a size up and it fits me actually perfect. So yeah, this is the white dress that I got. Alright, so this is the only item that I actually did not like. I'm not, like I told you, I'm 3 months postpartum, so I'm not in love with my body right now. So I'm really surprised I'm even doing this video, honestly. But this dress was a bodycon dress, and I know you guys probably thinking a bodycon, Adrianne, duh, it's gonna be fitted. But like I said, I ordered up, so I thought it wouldn't be tight. But to me, it's too tight. I don't like, you know, wearing tight clothes. I'm a mother of 4, so I don't like that. So this dress, I love the leopard print and the lime green detail around the collar and the sleeves. But like I said, I'm not gonna be wearing this. I'll probably give this away to somebody, or if I get down back to my pre-size, then it might fit me how I want it to fit me. But right now, it's a no-go. But the dress is actually very pretty. Super duper cute. I love the print. This right here is my absolute favorite out of the whole haul that I got. This dress is so cute. It's so flirty. It's so date night, vacation vibes. It's beautiful, and it was super cheap. So I love the cold shoulder. Hence what I have on today. The cold shoulder effect. This dress is see-through. I'm not going to even lie to you. This dress is very thin, but it's perfect for summertime. It's perfect for date night. It's cute, and I love the way it fits. Alright, so next I was live a little bit on the bright side. To be honest with with you, this dress was inspired by Rashida from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. She's always wearing these bright colors and it always looks so good on her. So when I saw this colorful dress, I'm like, ooh, this is like, reminds me of something that she would wear. But her prices at her boutique is a little bit above my price range. So I opted out for something that's affordable like this. This dress is so cute and I love the way it fits. I got this in a 1X. The material is kind of see-through, so you might want to wear, you know, shorts underneath it or a slip, but it's cute. I love the print and I really like the way it fits. It's loose and I can see myself wearing this in the summer, the spring, the fall, year round. Honestly, I can wear it with some boots or I can wear it with leggings underneath. It's cute. Alright, so this one, the lights are actually washing this out. This is like a pale yellow color dress. This dress is actually, I don't know why I brought it. To be honest with you, it looks cuter on the person that was actually wearing it. It's super wrinkled, so I really can't give you a honest of what it's supposed to look like. It was cute on the model who wore it in the picture on the website, but to me it's just not cute on me. This is a dress that I would probably wear to work or just to wear around the house. I mean, Saturday, this isn't like something I could be like, ooh, I have, you know, I'm wearing this to such and such party or whatever. So this is just a dress just to have. So yeah, it's okay. Oh, and this one is very see-through. As you can see my hanger through it. So this material is thin. I want to say this dress was like maybe $8. So this one, the quality is not as good, but everything else I was pleased with. So this is my second favorite dress. Yeah, second favorite out of this whole haul. When I saw this dress, I was like, yes, give me that, put it in my cart, I have to have it. So this dress is super cute. It's an oversized t-shirt dress that I can wear with some sneakers. I've always envisioned myself wearing a dress and sneakers, but I wasn't sure how to pair it. So this right here is a statement piece. It tells you what it is and it makes sense. So I love the length of it. The material is good. I love the splits on the side here. That's really cute. So yeah, this is my absolute second favorite dress besides that green one, and this one I ordered in a 0XL. We almost through, y'all. We got a couple more things to go through. I know this video, I was hoping it wouldn't be super duper long, but it probably will because I went ham on the website. My husband saw the bill. He was like, you spent how much? I'm like, I need some more clothes. So that's what I got. So the next thing I got is this color block dress. I love this as well. I love the way it fits. I love the way it looks. Of course, it's blue on one side, yellow on the other, and black and white. It's super cute. I got this in a 1X and it fits really good. The material of it is not thin. I like the way it looks, I like the way it fits. I can see myself wearing this with some sandals, with some heels. I can dress it up. I can even wear this with some tennis shoes, to be honest with you. Yeah, I see myself wearing this dress and it'd be really cute when I wear it. I love this dress. So next I got this leopard shirt. It's a V-neck shirt. I don't like the way it fits and I don't like the way it looks, to be honest with you. On the mannequin or on the actual website, the lady had it and it was kind of tucked in the front. The shirt is actually too short. If you can see how it's cut, it's just like straight across. I'm not a fan of that. And I just like the way it fits. The sleeves are sheer, which I don't mind that. I just don't like the way it fits and how it looks on me. But yeah, I'm gonna be wearing it because I paid for it. But it's not my favorite out of the haul. But yeah, this is the t-shirt that I got, and I got this in a 1X as well. All right, so the next thing I got was this skirt here. This is a mid-length skirt. Actually, it comes down to my calves. I love the way this looks with the ruched waistband. The style of this looks really cute. The slit of the back is not too high. It's perfect for me. I got this again in a 1X. It has the elastic band around it, so you know if it's too small you can stretch it out, or if it's too big, I mean you can't tie it tighter, but it fits really good. I also got the top that I'm wearing in this clip here, but I actually don't have the top in here in the room with me because, like I said, this is my second time filming this video. But I got that bodysuit as well to go with this skirt, and both of them fit really, really cute. So I was very pleased with this purchase. So next thing I got was these super duper cute pants here. They kind of they go all the way up. They split all the way up, but of course, you know, I wouldn't wear them. I'll probably wear them with some shorts just in case I sat down and they kind of, you know, came out. Don't want to be showing all my thighs out. These are like super lightweight. They are kind of see-through, but not too bad. But they, to me, I think they're perfect for the summertime because you don't want anything too thick. It's hot. It's, I don't know what, in Louisiana, so I wouldn't want to wear nothing that thick anyway. But I love the way it ties in the front, and also I got the bodysuit to go with this, and I love the actual detailing in the front as well. The seams, how it comes over the front. Super cute pants. Love these. Next, I got these shorts here. These shorts are really cute as well. I think everything I got is really cute, honestly. The website has super duper cute clothes, but I like how it has the elastic band around the waist. These, I want to say I got these in a, I want to say a 1X because I didn't want them to be too big on me. But to me, I feel like, yeah, it's a 1X. I feel like if you're ordering these, you might want to order a size up to me, because I felt like even with the elastic, they weren't as loose as I wanted them to be. So yeah, but they do stretch, you know, and they're cute, but I would have ordered probably a size up from what I ordered, just so they can be a little bit more comfortable. But they flare out and they look really cute. They look really cute on. So I got this shirt here that says Jesus. It looks like it says faith, but it says Jesus. And this one is super cute. This one is also in a 1X. I can still see myself dressing this up with some red lipstick and maybe some nice pearls, and wearing it with a skirt, or even with like a skirt and a blue jean skirt and some tennis shoes. I can still see myself wearing this. I'm gonna apologize now if you guys hear a baby crying or babies crying in the background. That is my two babies, my toddler and my infant 3-month-old baby. They just can't seem to be quiet while I'm recording. They just don't be quiet while I'm recording. So please excuse them. So the next t-shirt I got is just another t-shirt. I can see myself monogramming my initials here. It's just a striped t-shirt for me to wear like on a Saturday or just go run errands. I like the way it fits. I like the way it looks. I like the material. And I ordered this in a 1X. So I also got this t-shirt. Like, how perfect is this? Lashes and lipstick. Like, I love this shirt. It's so cute. I love how the collar is kind of split on the side. It's super cute on, and I like the material. To be honest with you though, like most of their shirts are very boxy. So if you plan on wearing them tucked in or kind of, you know, halfway in, halfway out, it's fine. But just a fair warning, they are very, very just boxy. They're not like girl fit. They're not, you know what I mean? They're not like a curvy fit to you. So that's something to keep in mind if you do plan on ordering. But if you don't mind that, like I don't mind it, then of course I say go for it, but I don't say I didn't warn you. Next, I got this bodysuit. I like how it has the buttons here. It's just a basic black t-shirt that I could wear, and I like this. I like the way it fits. I was pleased with this. I feel like after the first wash of this, it's going to shrink or become deformed, because I can just tell by the material. So I like it, but I don't see how many wears I will get out of this bodysuit, to be honest with you. It's just, I can just tell it's like not going to remain this shape in this color. I can just tell because it's kind of cheap. But I got the bodysuit and I like it. It's super cute, but like I said, I don't know how long it'll last me. And next, I got this ruffled turtleneck bodysuit. This here, as you see, I'm showing you in the sleeves, it's too tight. I didn't like the way it fit me, honestly. If I lost maybe about 10 pounds, I probably like the way it fit me. But this one ran very small, and I got this in a 1X as well. But it's cute. I'm not comfortable with tight clothes, so I probably wouldn't wear this until I lost some weight to get into it, honestly. Alright, so I also have some more clothes that I got, and I tried them on, so I'm gonna show those. I got this blue and white pinstripe dress that's super cute. I wore it to work. I got compliments all day, literally, on this dress. It was lightweight. It's linen print. Linen material. I love it. It's the seersucker, I believe, material. The blue and white stripe, as you can see, I'm wearing it on here. It's really cute on. I got dozens of compliments on it. And I also got another black bodysuit that I wore to Essence Fest. And that shirt was really cute, comfortable. Just a V-neck black bodysuit. So yeah. Alright guys, so that completes my Shein haul. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. comment down below. Let me know if you like this type of videos. I'm trying to throw a little bit of extra things on my channel, not just hair and makeup. I'm trying to throw some fashion and hauls in there, and you know, just to kind of keep you guys interested in my channel. You know what I'm saying? So if you like it, again, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. Turn on your notification bells, and I think that's all that I say in every video. Yeah. So I'll check you out. So I'll check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye. Peace.